What we're gonna do now, we have maintenance ramps. So I'm just gonna locate this one in front of the tires, raise the car more, and I can access to bottom side. Yeah, that's perfect. That is okay. Now we're gonna go down. So guys, that's all we need to change our oil. First of all, we're gonna drain all the oil. After that, we're gonna change our oil filter, and we're gonna put fresh oil inside the filter before we putting that. So let's start. So guys, here you can see this is the oil drain screw. So I'm gonna take this off. Then I will change oil filter right here. Yeah. So let's do it. Wow, I am getting better on this. Okay, it's gonna drain a little bit. Then we will take care of that. Look at that, 0. So it is not necessary to stay under the car when you're changing oil. Just wait to drain all the way down, because this is not a hydraulic for safety. Okay, they are trustable, but you know, just in case. Then I will put screw back and I will change the oil filter. But before we putting oil filter, we are gonna put some oil inside the filter, because that's more healthy way. Almost done. Let's give some information about oil change. In North America, they like 5 to 10,000 kilometers. Just in case, you know, changing frequently is not a bad thing, but we are trying to keep under 10,000 kilometers. If I go to Kia service for change my oil, it's gonna cost me around 130, 150. It depends on the brand. Like my friend goes Volkswagen, around $200 to $300. Depends on the brand and everything. But if you go outside, like a private companies makes oil change, you can change your oil around 150 to 200. Still, if you buy everything, I'm gonna put here like how much it cost to me. 5-liter Castrol GTX 520 oil, and from ultra synthetic filter. And also I bought a couple of things. I'm gonna put that in the second video and third video, like how to change my air filter and how to change my cabin filter. So you can find them inside my channel. Yeah, it's done. Couple of drips coming. I'm gonna go down back. So the good thing is this car's oil filter is like straight connection. Some of them on the sides, that means when you put inside the oil filter some oil, it's gonna leak down. You have to be really quick. But in this one, you have to just adjust your direction and go straight up. In my case, it still comes a little fast. I'm waiting more. I just wanna take my car and shake it to drain. When I wipe, it's getting faster. Weird. So guys, it's cold, and I'm just gonna close this. So mostly engine oils 24,000 kilometers, but I'm changing every 10,000. We're good now. All good, yeah. Here is oil filter. This is gonna be messy. I can feel it. I need to use wrench for that. Right here. Yep, gotcha. Guys, my advice, don't rush anything. Yeah, it comes. Fuck, this one is messy, I told you. Woohoo! Here's our oil filter. Gloves first. Use gloves all the time. I am not in very comfortable position, but I will try my best. Oh, okay. I'm trying to dry a little. Let's go out. So we have to put oil inside and put around. Okay, now we're gonna go back and put our filter on the car. We're gonna hold it straight and we will go directly. Okay, pop the hood.
Pop the hood? Pop the hood.
We changed the oil filter. Now we're gonna put fresh oil from here. First of all, we have to do oil level check. We're gonna take out this. It has to be nothing inside. Let's see. It's nothing. So let's close this one. I suggest you to use funnel for oil, so I'm just gonna dump it. So you guys have to check how many liters your car takes. My car takes approximately 4.4 liter. Of course, we are not gonna leave it like that. We're gonna check again. We have to be sure about the oil level. Perfect. On the second line, right here, so which is great. And this is the end of oil change video. Don't throw your oil to the garbage. Let's start the car. Okay, we did service. And be sure about there is no lights. So as you can see, everything is okay. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.